Hey guys, it's me Khesyinii here. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys know by the title of the video, it is a SHEIN haul. Like, not a huge SHEIN haul, but just certain pieces that I got from SHEIN for the fall. So this video is sponsored by SHEIN, and thank you so much SHEIN for sponsoring this video. I'm gonna link all of my outfit down in the description box, so you can just click the link to get yours. Without further ado, let's get into the haul. Alright, for a long time now, I've been eyeing on this cargo jeans that is worn by Kylie Jenner in this picture here. You guys can see it. I've been obsessed with her look in that picture, so I tried to recreate it for fall because denim is just for every occasion and everything you can wear denim. Even denim on denim is a trend now. So I found a similar one from SHEIN. I definitely can't afford the one that she buy. I mean, manifesting, but I found a perfect pair that is like that dupe. I would say it's a dupe, but it is a great denim material. Like, look at the pockets. Like, I'm in love with the pocket detailings, and it's just everything. You even have the pocket at the front here, and the material, chef kiss. Let me try this on to show you guys how it actually looks. But before I try on, let me show you what I got for the top. For the top, I went with a simple, like, asymmetrical top, which is a ripped top as well. You can't actually see the posture of the dress because of its material, because you can only see when I wear it. But it's so cute. It is a bit sheer. I hope it is not. I mean, if I wear a nude bra or a nude innerwear, it's not gonna be seen. So let's try it on. So I got a little makeup over here, but whatever, because I'm gonna wash the clothes before I wear it out. So it definitely fits well. It is kind of body tightening, but it's a bit loose at the armpit area, but nothing alteration can fix. And the pants, it is a bit loose as you guys can see, but I love how it fits. It just fits super baggy. I just wish you guys can see the whole outfit. Wait, this is how the whole outfit is looking like. Really love how the pants is super baggy there, and I just love how the pant looks like on me, and it really gives me the Kylie Jenner vibe. Except I don't have the curves like her, but definitely giving me her vibes. And the top is just everything. I just love how it's just asymmetrical. It is loose here, but it's okay. Overall, I really love the outfit. So yeah. Alright, for the next outfit, I wanted to go more formal type of like dressy pants, because I've been obsessed with trousers, and I have this burnt orange trousers, if you guys know, if you guys follow me on my Instagram. But I've always wanted a beige nude type of pants, so I found these pants. It's not a long pants, but I love the cutting, so I was like, let me just add it to cart and see how it actually looks on me. But the downside of the pants is it's velcro, but no worries, if I style it correctly, it wouldn't be a problem. It is kind of wrinkly, but once I've ironed it and try on, you guys can actually see how the dress looks like on me, how the pants looks like on me. So this is the pants. It even has a fold underneath, which is super cute. And imagine just pairing this with a nude heels. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed already. And I love the shade. It's not gonna make me look dark, because certain nude actually can make me look dark. So this is the perfect shade, and it's super duper duper cinched in the waist. So I got a cute top to pair with this. You wanna see? You guys wouldn't expect me choosing this top, but I did. I chose the viral corset. So it's this viral corset that I've been seeing in TikTok, and TikTok influencing me a lot. Trust me, even with my skincare, it's confusing me on what to wear, what to use, and what to buy. Even like when I go to drugstores, I'll be like, which one should I get? Okay, so let's just hop onto this. This is so damn beautiful when I see on the website. I really hope it fits well on me as how it fits on the other girls. But it kind of looks like it's gonna be a bit big, but let's try it on to see. And I love the detailing at the back. I mean, you don't have to manually cinch in, but it's a very stretchy material. But I don't think so I'm gonna stretch it much. Hope I don't have to alter it. But yeah, this top is everything. It fits like glove, that's one. I'm just obsessed with the top. But let me show you guys the whole outfit. Alright, but this outfit is everything. It's giving me business, it's giving me high class, it's giving me everything that I love. I just didn't have the time to like steam it or iron this, but imagine it if it's iron. Yes, I did put a pin here because it's a bit loose there. It's definitely loose. I even have it pinned at the back. But I'm just gonna cinch it in and alter it. It's gonna fit me perfectly. Like when I say perfectly, it's perfect. And I love these trousers. I just love, if I could iron, I would definitely add a line at the front here so it'll look way more businessy. But overall, obsessed with this outfit. Super obsessed. And I love how the strap is going all the way to the side, and also the strap is adjustable, which is everything that I like. So yeah, I really love this outfit so much. Alright guys, for the last outfit, I was thinking about sets. Because you know how the top can be paired with the pants, the bottoms can be paired with any top. So that's my focus there. So I went with this cute set, which is a monochromatic set, a full black set. It's a top and a skirt. And it is sheer. It's like full on sheer, but just a black top and a black bandana, or like just like a normal black bra with shorts underneath. It's gonna cover everything, trust me, because the hole is not that big. It's like this big, and I got it in extra small. It is like the one that can ruche up at the side, and it's a bit long, and it has a slit, which is so cute. And top is just a tie-up top. Cute, right? Alright, so let me try this on so you guys can see where the outfit is going, because just showing this, you wouldn't understand much. So I did a little something, and I was trying on the skirt, but I left the corset on, and oh my god, this is an outfit. Like, just look at that. The skirt and the corset, and I'm serving Kendall Jenner look. Like, I just feel this is something Kendall would wear, and super obsessed. Okay, but let me just put on the top for this skirt. Okay, but why does this look so good? Like, just look at that. It ties at the back. I mean, you guys can tie it at the front if you guys want, but I tied it at the back. And oh my god, I'm loving this outfit. I just love how the skirt is. Like, look at that. It just makes you curvier. Anything that's cinched up just makes you look more curvier. And yeah, I'm in love. Even the material, look at that. Super in love. Like, I can't wait to wear this out already. Imagine just going on a brunch with your girlfriends, and this would be the perfect outfit. Like, all black, but still just a pop of gold jewelries. Alright guys, so I also bought two different accessories, which is a bag and a shoe. So since it's sponsored by SHEIN, I wanted to get one of the best ones. So I chose this bag. It kind of gave me Balenciaga vibes. So I was like, yes sir, let's get the Balenciaga. It's not a dupe. It's definitely not a dupe. But I really love how the detailing is all in gold, and it actually fits a lot of my lipstick, but not my phone. It doesn't fit my phone. Let me try it out. It doesn't fit my phone, as I know, but you never know. Yeah, it doesn't. But it has a longer strap. Just imagine it looking cute just right there. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I'm gonna use this as my everyday bag already, because you can just use it like that, or you can just add on the extra strap and just go for a casual outing. I'm in love with the bag. Just look at the details. So here's the bag, and it will fit perfectly with all the outfits. You can wear it this way, or you can add on the strap and just wear it. Super comfortable. I just can't wait to wear this outfit. Just a sneaker and this outfit is bomb. Alright guys, for the shoe, I am super duper excited because I've always wanted this shoe. And it's from SHEIN. It's gonna be absolutely perfect. So I got this loafers, but there's a twist. There's a twist on these loafers. It's a platform loafers. And I am obsessed with it. When I say I'm obsessed, because it's light, it's super duper light. It's gonna be easy to walk on. And just, I love heels, platform heels, because technically the heels is just very less. So can you see that platform? It's gonna be that, and the heels is only that much. So it's gonna be super comfortable to walk on. So I bought it in black. Like, it's gonna go with all the outfit that I bought for this fall. So it's just a black pair of loafers, platform loafers. Yeah, I'm obsessed. When I say I'm obsessed, I'm super obsessed. Just look at that. And I paired it with this outfit, and it works. It works super duper good. It just is. It made the whole outfit look a bit more rugged, and I can walk on this the whole day. Just imagine wearing this attending an event or something. It's gonna be bomb. Like beauty event, beauty calls, and everything. This will look good. So that's all from me for the SHEIN haul. But if you guys want to go and shop for yourself, you guys can use this code, my code, for 15% off. So what are you waiting for? Go shop yourself now. Like, shop till drop, guys. So until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. And if you guys have any video suggestion, just drop it in the comment section down below, because I reply to every one of them. Alright, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.